Some improvements to my 93 Bluebird. I have a heated leather air ride seat, dual armrests, 2-chamber air lumbar support. It's adjustable in just about every way possible. I got an air horn. The air horn is wired to the horn button in the steering wheel. And I got a switch on the switch panel. Toggle switch here. So I can switch between regular horn. Switch this up. Air horn, there we go. Didn't want to scare anyone else too bad while we're inside the garage. And then in the back here we have a new heater. Brand new rear heater and all new pieces to cover the heater line, which haven't been installed yet, but they will be shortly.